I'm doing a rear brake, third brake light assembly on a 2012 Buick Lacrosse. To get to the brake light assembly, this rear deck leg got to come up, which you put the back seats down and take these from out of the window. These go up here. Take these from out of the window, and you can pull this out. Pull this out like that, like so. You're gonna have to come up over these. So if you pull these up from the bottom and come out the little clip, then you can take the seatbelt and stuff out. And then this is the light. This is the switch, the harness for the third brake light. And it come out all together as one, just like that. All right, so once you take the deck lid, the rear deck lid off, which is this. Once you take that all the way out the vehicle, make sure you disconnect this to get it out though. This is for your third brake light. You want to take this circuit board, you want to take it apart, take it off. There's some screws in it. These right here. And I know it look impossible to get those out because of this, but I promise you, you can get it out and change it. What I used was a little screwdriver like this and got down. I took the side ones off. Don't take this whole complete thing off. Take this side, these two side bolts, take those off, and then it'll give this little bracket, it'll have room to wiggle. And then you can finesse and get these bolts out of here. You know, put your screwdriver down here and pull this up at a little angle without breaking these two clips right here. And you can change it out. Then make sure you run your wire back around. And let me show you where that goes. You're gonna plug that up into this. That's for your third brake light on a 2012 Buick Lacrosse. You're putting this back up here. So once you get it back in, all the way pushed back in place behind these, you're gonna have to fish your seatbelt back through this slit. Let me see if I can do it right fast and I'll come back. So it should look like this. Back through there, you bring this cover back up and it just really pop in place. Just like so. Just like that. And don't forget to put your securing clips back in there. So it should really look like this when you finish. I'm gonna show you how to put that back up there. All right, to put this back in, these hooks go in them slots. So you're gonna put these down, but before it go all the way back in there, you're gonna put this down inside of here so it can all line up. Let me see if I can do it right quick. See how that goes on there, on those hooks right there. Then push this back down, but you gotta make sure that these hooks is in there like that. And the side panel little anchor, I don't know what it's really called, but this goes inside of there like this. Push that back down. And it should all pop in together just like that. This, I'm gonna fix this little gap once I get all of this back in and lined up. And you gotta make sure that you get your seal out of there. It should be just like that. And these clips on the side. Run your finger down the inside of here. You should hear it clip. If it don't clip, it ain't installed all the way. And lastly, put your anchors, push pins, or whatever you want to call it, down in there. Close your seat up. Let me show you how to get this. In the bottom of here is that little tab right there. It goes in that bracket. So pull up. You're gonna pull up on it and put it inside of there. And once, let me see. And once it's all secure, it should move just like that. You put your back seat back up, and boom. That's how you do a third brake light on a 2012 Buick Lacrosse. All right.